Introducing the 2023 Toyota CHR Hybrid Sport in stunning blue. This four-door auto comes packed with features like ambient lighting, cruise control, lane departure warning, and so much more. With its 1.8-litre engine and automatic transmission, this hatchback is perfect for your daily commute. Safety is a top priority with ABS, anti-collision system, and multiple airbags. Plus, enjoy the convenience of USB 12V power outlets and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Rest assured, knowing this car has had a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit opelnaas.ie for more information on this top-of-the-line vehicle.